speaking of bringing the best to your patients, when we first talked, you overwhelmed me with success stories, and we do not have time to cover all of those right now today during this interview, but I'm sure our listeners would love to hear a few of those.
Yeah, absolutely. I know there are so many. The first one I'd like to share is a woman named Alex, and she was 51 at the time that we saw her. She had very busy life and also history of a very stressful life, not the greatest diet in the world. She was just very committed to her work and didn't necessarily take the best care of herself. But when I heard from her, she was in excruciating pelvic pain, so way low down in her abdomen, just excruciating pain. She couldn't sit, she couldn't walk, she couldn't sleep. She was barely tolerable lying down. Her whole life had just stopped. This was not a woman who liked to take medication, but she was on pain medication that didn't make a dent in her problem. And we spoke, she was about to do some surgery, and she was down in Los Angeles, so we're a little bit north in Silicon Valley. I hung in there because I wanted to know how she was doing, and must have been honestly 6-9 months later, and she said, I've had 3 exploratory surgeries, absolutely no idea what's causing my problem. And they know I'm not making it up because I'm in excruciating pain, but they were just basically saying, you're fine. So I said, okay, send me everything. I want to see all your scans, all your blood work, all the outcomes of the surgery. And in one of the surgical reports, they stated that her uterus looked like that of a 90-year-old. Okay. And so obviously that's not a healthy uterus. And also her hormone levels were basically non-existent. And nobody put that together, but I saw that and I was like, okay, I know what to do. So she flew up to see us, and we reestablished her hormone levels over a period of several months. But within probably about 45 days, she just started feeling stronger. She gradiently could do more. And it resolved. She's back to her very, very busy life. She travels all over the world. She has no pain. She's never felt this good because she's truly taking care of herself dietarily as well as maintaining that hormonal balance. So that was a great story.